Menopause is a natural and transformative chapter that is often thought of as an endpoint, but is a truly powerful beginning. In their late 40s or early 50s, women embark on this biological journey, with symptoms sometimes emerging even earlier. The challenges of this journey include hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and disruptions in normal sleep patterns, all stemming from the declining levels of estrogen and progesterone. It may feel like you're out of control as you approach this phase of life, facing the challenges brought on by these hormonal shifts. Navigating this new hormonal balance is where Fembalance360 comes into play. A menopause formula anchored by the clinically studied extract from the root of Rapontic rhubarb, ERR. Now available from practitioner-trusted Get Lean products, light stressors can amplify your hormonal waves, creating a challenging seed to navigate by targeting how estrogen influences our cells. Fembalance360 degrees skillfully charts a course through the turbulent waters toward better hormonal regulation. Extensive research, including randomized controlled trials, has proven the efficacy of this powerful root extract in providing relief for 11 of the most prevalent menopausal symptoms. Studies show that after 12 weeks of use, ERR significantly reduced menopause symptoms in over 80% of women, a beacon of hope, empowering women to regain control of their menopause journey. Fembalance360 degrees is not just a supplement, it's your ally, allowing you to embrace this new chapter with confidence and grace. Armed with knowledge, remember that menopause isn't an ending, but rather the beginning of a new journey. Bon voyage!